So hello everyone. In this class we are going to understand how we can create modules and what is a module in Python. Okay. In Python, modules it is a file containing set of Python codes that may be a function or class or it may be a variable. Modules used to break down a large programs into small, manageable and organized files. Now let's explore more about modules. First we will understand how we can create modules. To create any module in Python, first we need to write a codes like hello, print hello, like that we have to write the codes. Then we need to save it with .py extension. Okay. Now note here the whatever name you are giving to your file. Okay, whatever name you are giving to your file, that name is only a module name. Okay, for example, I am writing some functions and I am saving it with the name of google.py, and here the file name google is my module name. Okay,